Okay, so hello everyone. I'll be demonstrating a Python based web scraping project that automatically collects official email addresses like those of principals and placement officers from engineering colleges all over India. That includes 28 states. So first let's go through the code extraction. So input the request bs4 request for making web request, and then the beautiful soup for parsing and extracting content from html, then re for regular expressions like email extraction basically, open pyxl for writing excel files, then time for the delays between retrieves, current features for multi-threading. Next, API keys. We use SERP API to get Google results, and then to avoid known social media sites to avoid irrelevant links, target in engineering colleges from different Indian states. So then next we have written the states, because like we were a group of five, so we have divided the task into merging task into five of them, like each of them used to do 6 to 7 states. So I have done 5 states here. Any number of states you can mention over here, and then templates are used to generate Google queries, that is by using query templates. This include various links like PDFs and edu in. So this is what it is. Next is def relevant email. That is nothing but ensures that the email IDs are official or role based. Then is valid URL, that filters the this thing what you're seeing, that will filter out unhelpful domains. Then next, the extraction email from URLs, like extracts email from both visible text and mail to links, retires in case of failure. Next, Google search via API, that is SERP API, that is shown over here. So using pagination to collect more links, filters valid URLs, then saves emails to the Excel files, saves emails to Excel, states and emails, using stores valid emails and their source URLs into the Excel file named after the state. So uh, this is how the extraction of emails have been done. It can be like loops through states and search query templates, performs Google searches using SERP API, visits the resulting pages and scrapes emails, saves only relevant ones like those with principal, dean, etc. Outputs everything neatly into the Excel file. So I'll show you the Excel file. Yeah, this is the Excel file of 28 states. You can see here till all the 28 states we have given, and we have merged into the single sheet. After this, the next step we have to do is cleaning. Okay, so let's go to the cleaning code. First, we have imported pandas for data manipulation and Excel file handling, and then RE, that is a regular expression model for pattern matching. Next, input and output file, where merged Excel we have inputted and cleaned this thing we are getting as an output file. So Excel file you want to clean, you have to, and then new Excel that will store clean data. Next, read all the sheets from the Excel file. So this sheets is equal to pd.read Excel, reads all sheets from the input Excel file into a dictionary. Each key in sheets is the sheet name and each value is a data frame for that sheet. Next is define a basic email request pattern, that is this is the email pattern, like one or more characters before the attribute. Let's prepare a dictionary to hold clean sheets. So this is what clean sheets is equal to. This will store the clean data frames with valid email addresses. Then loop through each sheet, extract emails. So you have to loop using this for loop, iterates through all sheets and their data. Next is create an empty series to store email addresses. So emails is equal to pd dot this, that empty list to gather all possible email like entries. Next is to do loop through columns and collect text data, that is using this for loop, like goes through each column. If it's text based, d type is equal to object, non null values are added to the email series. Then later what we have to do is we have to remove duplicate email entries, so to ensure that no repeat in the clean data. So that is what we are using this. Next is keep only valid email formats using regress, like filters out entries. This is there, right? This helps in filtering out the entries that do not match the email regress pattern. Next is save valid emails into the new data frame, that is clean df and clean sheets. So creates a new data frame with a column called valid emails, adds it into the clean sheets dictionary. Then save all the clean sheets into the new excel file. For that we are using this. And then opens a excel writer, saves each clean sheets to the new workbook using the original sheet's name. Then print confirmation message, successfully cleaned to all sheets. That. So then after this we have the cleaned excel file of 28 states. All of these are. So in conclusion, there were around 6,000 emails which was collected, and which there were invalid as well as valid emails. So after doing the cleaning process, we have got around 4,000 valid emails. Thank you.